Tons of fish off the right. Oh my God, holy crap. Freaking pitch them.
Are they on bottom or are they top?
Couldn't tell.
Lots on bottom. Off to the sides is obscene right now, both sides.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Here's Bob. Dillon's on.
Small fish. Good one to break the ice with. Nice fat fish.
Yeah.
Can't believe we're not hooking up.
These fish are pressured.
Bottom. On bottom now, right?
Oh, I just got bit. Super slow. On them. Pretty deep. There he is.
Oh, there you go.
Super slow, barely moving it. Good fish. Good fish. Nothing crazy, but not a bad one.
Where was he, Dave?
Super slow, rolling it on the bottom. Like barely moving it. He's not that big. Little guy. These are little fish. Little. It's 22, maybe. Sorry. Some very good marks off the left side right now.
Oh my gosh, boats are just coming out of nowhere.
Phew, holy crap, yeah they are.
Yeah, tire, please. We're still off both sides and below us, guys. We should be getting bit.
Oh, come on, dude. I'm not even really feeling these bites. They're just like mouthing it. Left side looks nuts. Right side's pretty barren.
We were all there. We should have been.
I got bit a lot there, but it was all like they're just barely mouthing it. Like I'm not feeling the bites. I go to lift up really slowly and there's weight. Nope, I just got hit. Come on. Dude. That wasn't bottom. There's bottom. Getting a ton of short strikes with this on the drop. They're just mouthing it. Oh, dude, again, I just got hit again. These must be little fish. I do too. There he is. Yeah, they're small fish. I just got hit again. He's not getting it. Yeah. I just got hit 3 times and didn't hook up. They gotta be little ones. Me too.
Good stuff. Good stuff. Good stuff.
Damn, the ones.
There he is. Oh my God, dude. Nice. Yeah, yeah, I'm like barely moving it.
That looks better.
It does look better.
It's not good. Nah.
That's a little guy.
They're all small.
Yeah, it's tiny. Oh, there he is. Again, not very big. Tiny, dude. It's another tiny one.
I mean, some of the marks look big on the screen, on the
Yeah, I think we look for that big, massive one. That's pretty tiny. Yeah, it's like a 25. He's not tiny, you're right.
That's not tiny.
No. Yeah. Oh. No.
It's just yeah, they're getting together pretty tight back there. Back to behind us.
Oh, yeah, they are.
Get up.
What you got there?
Probably like a 24.
Hey, that's a better fish.
Yeah, that guy's going.
Oh man,
Yeah. Oh, damn it. That was a fish.
What size bait? You got a pretty big bait.
This isn't it. This one.
Birds. Yeah, they're getting tighter.
There he is. Oh, dude, come on.
Are you guys just vertical jigging?
No. Yeah, slow rolling it on the bottom. So we marked a bunch on the bottom, so I'm just gonna go straight down. I know that was quick. I got down there fast. Oh, now there's a fish. I'm not on bottom. So we're going straight down, get in the bottom, right where we think those fish should be. Moving quick. Bottom marks off to the left. I'm gonna pick it up and cast out there. So we're seeing some more stuff. Here they come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boats headed towards us. 6. Oh, I just got mother. There, good dude. Come on. There he is. Oh my God. There he is. It's not very big. Yep, not big at all. Oh, son of a bitch. That was my fault.
What happened?
I just broke him off next to the boat.
Oh, no way.
Yep. Gotta love it when they're coming close enough to us you can see them on the side scan.
We don't have to cut through the boats, we can work around the edges.
I know. We're pretty barren now.
I'm gonna throw the binders up again and see if I can find some stuff away
Good idea.
from this. Because
I have a sneaky suspicion that no matter wherever we go today, we're gonna have a couple followers.
yeah. Try and find some birds must be cool.
There he is. Oh, son of a bitch. Oh, there he is. Oh my God, dude. I'm losing so many fish. This is driving me crazy.
Starting to get a little aggravated. Oh, I did. My very first attempt.
Snagged him.
Did snag it.
In a bad spot. Sorry, bro.
we sure are. Anything on the meter?
No, not nothing worth staying for. I think we're just in a big patch of small fish.
Seems that way, doesn't it?
Yeah, I mean, I've missed so many hits, and if a big fish hits this thing, they're not gonna.
Yeah.
Yeah, big fish hits.
It's slurping it.
A couple of them didn't develop though. They're on our right. Look on our right.
Dude,
Yeah, they were.
a little bit.
It's not fantastic. No more. Go for it. Go for it.
Shoot. What? Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Come on. Yeah. Jeez, I was done. Oh. Max is on. See that slack in your line, Derek? Try to keep that out of there at all times. If you get bit when you're slack, you're not gonna feel it. There you go. And you don't even need to be reeling. I'm not reeling for the most part. I'm just jigging, and then I'll let it out, let it get back to the bottom. You want to try to let it hit bottom with your rod pretty low so that you can still set the hook. And then jig, let it back down, get a few jigs, let some line back out. Are you feeling bottom, Derek?
Feel it when it does.
Yeah. So keep letting, oh, there he is. Keep letting out more line so you do. This one might be, yeah. This one's a little bit better. Yep. Think so. Oh yeah, yep, real. Real fish. Yep. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Alright. This is a freaking nice one. I got no control over him.
I'll film if someone else wants to live.
Yep, he's nice. Not huge, but he's a good one. Honestly thought he'd be bigger.
It's still a solid fish.
Yeah. I can get it if you want to keep fishing, Max. I thought he'd be bigger than that.
Yours is so short.
Yeah, it
This
is.
is nothing to grab there.
I have 40-pound braid, you're good.
Okay.
Dang. Nice. Alright, quick measure on him. 35.
That's a good one.
Yeah. Dude, I thought he was gonna be way bigger than that.
What is it?
35.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Oh, look at that sheen, that beautiful color on him. You ready?
Hold on. Up a little.
Oh, he's good. He's going. Oh. Sorry, I thought that fish would be bigger. Holy shit. Those guys are too close. Let that tip get almost all the way to the water. Down. There, that's bottom. See that? And then up. You can go up a little bit faster than that. Let it hit bottom and then like, just quick up. There you go. Good marks right on bottom. Don't be afraid to let out some line, Derek, and make sure you're right down there. Like earlier, you saw one. I saw to the left.
Last one our left. Alright, we got him. Left and right.
Oh, I just got no way, dude. Oh, dude, I just got hit. Come on.
Oh.
Dude, it's happened to all of us. Yeah. Me too. Right when we got here. Oh, dude.
A lot of cookie cutter signs.
Yeah.
On your left.
No, you're good. What's up? Right side. Oh, I just got hit. Come on. Yep, I just got hit off the left side. There he is. Good fish. Good fish. He's not huge.
Yeah.
Maybe he is. Yeah.
It's just a nod.
Get out from under there. Oh, shoot. Not a good spot. Not a good spot.
Is it gonna be camera worthy?
He's taking me around the boat. No, I snagged him. God damn it.
Still nice fish.
Yeah, it's like a 30, but it's not a big.
When you're standing, I would throw it straight behind the boat. If you can't, particularly right now, we're gonna come back.
Sorry, dude.
Nice. That fish. Well, they're showing on the left now too. They're all over. Except for under us. It's the one place they aren't. How funny is that?
Nice pack off the right side. 150 feet.
You know, there's like nowhere.
Oh, there he is. He's not big. He was out there. That is the smallest fish I've caught this winter. I do not think he'd keep in the summer. Still fat. He'd be a keeper. You'd be a keeper. Little dude.
42.
A lot of bait.
Yeah.
It's laying down nice and calm.
Yes. Thank goodness. Man, there's a lot of bait, but we're just not seeing a big fish with it.
Well, I'm sure it's going to happen in front of Chesapeake Beach to like Herring Bay again today. It's happened
I'm
over the past
sure you're
couple
right.
days. And it seems like it's been an afternoon bite.
Yeah. From like 2 o'clock on.
Yeah.
Do you guys have a time limit?
Dark.
We're gonna be in by dark. Because when it gets dark, it's gonna get cold.
Do you have a time limit there?
Those are the correct answers.
I'm scared that if it stays this crowded, it's gonna be the same kind of game, you know?
Yeah. Where are all these boats going?
I don't know, but I almost don't want to go that way just because they're going that way. But,
Yeah.
but it's inescapable at this point. coming on the right.
Uncle Mike, we need to switch. You're over me.
Sorry.
All good.
34. Now we're over top of them. Coming up under the boat now.
Are they on bottom?
Yep, on bottom.
There's bottom.
Coming on thick. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my God.
Yeah.
There we go.
Nice.
That fish that other guy had.
Way to go, Uncle Mike.
How's that feel? Mike? That's
Sounds pretty good, yeah.
This is like,
Dillon's on. You want to go under me, Uncle Mike?
And Max is on.
Oh yeah, Uncle Mike's got a real one. Let's go.
That's a good fish.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Baby. Let's go, Uncle. Oh, I'm on. Oh, I'm off. Damn it, that was a nice fish.
No, I had the same bite.
Oh, that was a big fish. No.
That's the real deal.
That is.
Oh, I'm on. There he is.
Yeah, little guy.
Yeah. Definitely not like Uncle Mike's. Dillon's on.
I just saw two roll right in front of me.
I'm getting him off right now. Yeah, it's probably 25. But I had just gotten slammed by a bigger fish before that.
Yeah, about 100 yards in front of me.
Is Uncle Mike's fish anywhere near the boat yet? No?
Yeah, if you want to pull that camera out, feel free to.
I think I'm gonna put my GoPro in the water if I'm gonna do anything.
I'm sorry, Dylan. Can I slide into
Yeah,
the big catch real quick?
Absolutely.
Max, I have a topwater tie-down Milo rod you can throw. I just got bit.
Real fast.
It's bigger. That scared me. It's pulling the boat. You are pulling the boat. You're turning the back of the boat. Oh, let's go, Uncle Mike. You want me to grab it?
Yeah.
Yep.
Side. A little bit. Not a ton.
You got a patch off to the right.
Derek, it's probably time for you to crank up and we should clear this soon.
Uncle Mike, look at me and give me a big smile. We still haven't seen him, have we?
He's going back down again. There he is.
Oh yeah, beautiful fish.
Look at that thing.
Can you step up for me, please? Okay, that works too.
What did you want me to do?
I wanted you to go this way and, so I can get on your
yeah,
other
yeah.
side.
Come to
Yeah, there we go.
Right there.
Perfect.
Come on, baby.
All right. Keep that tip out, and we'll rotate him around to me one more time.
Awesome.
Pretty fish. All right, bring that tip towards me if you can.
God damn, Max, get the measuring tape.
Got him. Let me know when the measuring tape's out and I'll bring him in.
Measuring tape is out and laid down in the back.
Wait, press down the phone.
Shit. Holy crap. All right.
Keep going, hold on.
3, 2, 1. She is 43.
That's only 43?
43 and thick as a bitch.
It is thick.
Freaking football. All right, I'm popping the jig out. Uncle Mike, stand by. Let's get a picture real quick.
Want me to take this?
Daddy, you got to angle a little bit more out.
we should get. Let Mike get him one time.
I want to get him. Hey.
Get him.
Yep. Quick. Yeah.
Someone get a phone one too.
I got you.
Nice.
Okay, coming back.
All right. I'll release. Got him.
Sweet. That is a chunky boy.
That is.
Chunky girl.
Baby girl. Come on.
Look up and smile, Dave.
Come on, baby. Making me cold. Yeah. Come on. Give me a kick. Can you put it forward?
Yep.
Thank you. Nope, I'm good. It's too late. Oh, there was a go. She's trying now. Come on. Beauty. Oh yeah, there she goes.
Alrighty then.
Woo! Yes, sir.
That was a
Give me some. What a fish. Let's get another one.
Good stuff, Uncle Mike. Holy look behind us.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that was.
I mean, that was like, my arm was like getting sore. I'm like, damn, man.
I think we got a.
You know, I've been wanting to eat chicken for like the past hour, but I'm like, I'm not taking my hands out of this one. I don't need chicken that bad.